Here's my secret weapon for the summer. A new refrigerator. Not just a refrigerator. This one's going to be a freezer. This one is going to save me some money this summer, hopefully. And it's going to double as something else. That something else, I'm not saying what it is yet, but you will be seeing that soon. This is where the refrigerator will sit upon. And then I have this aluminum L bracket that I have to cut and screw down. And this will hold the refrigerator in place. And then I'm not sure if I want to screw this down. Probably not, because I don't want to screw into my floor unnecessarily. But this will go here like this. Yeah. Just when you need some power, you have none. Got the platform done here. The reason I don't have one on this side is because this piece of wood will go like this, because my cabinet is over here and I want a little bit of separation for the motor of the refrigerator to have ventilation. So I need a little bit of a space. Yes, I could have made this a little bit bigger, but this is all I had and it was just enough for this. I'm going to turn on my new refrigerator for good for the first time. Now I have to turn this one on. Gotta have some of the essentials. Very essential, especially perfect size. This is one of the last things I gotta do. I gotta put this protective piece in front of the battery, and I'm gonna attach it with magnets. This way, whenever I need to remove it, I'll just unsnap the magnets. Oh, beautiful. Secured in there. Then my seat will go over here, and whenever I want to take this out, just go like that. Pops out. I didn't even need a hole there, but I put one just in case. I like it. Coming down to the end of the line here. This is the end of the line. I have to be quick. So today I got to cut this up, get my saw, take a few inches off. But first, we gotta do some minor operation here. Just very minor. This thing is about 29 3/4 long. I need to be at 27 1/4 long. So I have to cut about 2.5 inches off of this. And to do that, I'm going to get my utility knife and I'm going to cut these seams right here. Take this out, take this hinge out, take this one out, cut all this up, and then peel it back, cut the wood, and then hopefully I can reattach it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, and I have to make sure that I cut on the right side, because this side here goes towards the visible part of the van, and this side goes towards my bed, so nobody will see this side. Yeah. When you buy stuff like this at the store, you look at it, it looks beautifully finished and all that. But if you open it, then you can see the poor workmanship, crappy wood, all wrapped up in a nice package. But it'll work. This is gonna work. It's gonna work for what I need. Looking pretty good. Not bad. Oh. I took out too much or too little. What the heck did I do here? I took out too much on the lid. Darn it. I can still fix it though. This is perfect. This needs about an inch. I can fix it. I gotta take these staples out again. Peel back. This is about perfect. Put a piece of wood like this behind it, put the stuff back, and call it a day. Just a minor mistake. It happens. What was I thinking? Anything can be fixed with some wood, some screws, and a... Beautiful! Mwah! Now we gotta restaple again. Ah! Oh my... You fell for it, didn't you? You gotta be careful though, because it could really happen. Just like before, but better. All you need is a little patience, a few staples, a staple gun, some know-how. That's all you need. I think it's good enough. Question is, will it fit? I think it will. Beautiful. Look at that. It fits beautifully. Haha. Not quite done yet. I need to put this thing back, connect the hinges, then I'll be done. Then the question is, will it fit in the van? I hope so. I got a rat over here. I have a rat over here, Lydia. Rat. It's truth time. Will this fit in there? I have no idea. We'll see if it fits. Alright, let's see if it fits. Oh, it doesn't fit. No. Yes, it does. I made it more difficult than it needed to be. It's a little tight, just by a hair. Maybe because of those extra 2 pieces of wood that I put on the lid. Just makes it just a little bit tight. And also my mattress sticks out just a little bit too. So, but it works, and because it fits tight, it's not going to go anywhere. Next project on the list. These handles right here. This thing keeps breaking on me. This one is broken. This one's good. And I've ordered maybe about three or more handles. And once in a while they just break. They develop a crack over here on top, and then over time they just break. So let me take this one out real quick and I'll show you what I mean. And I'm going to make new handles. I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm done buying. This is what I'm talking about. It keeps cracking. And what happens is, as I pull this handle, it starts developing a crack right here on top. And then eventually it just cracks completely. And then I have to keep buying them. But I'm going to solve that problem. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I haven't had the time. I've been procrastinating a little bit too, and stuff happens. Let's go make one. So this is what I got to work with. Let me show you the solution I got for this. Very simple, very elegant. I got a piece of wood and a piece of copper pipe. And the wood will go like this. Inside, I'm going to cut it the same length, and this is going to be my new handle. This will not break like this, and I think over time this will look really nice. Beautiful. I'm telling you, it may not look like it, but it's hot, very hot. All I got to do now is poke 2 little holes on either side and bring it to the van and put the screws back in. Will it work? I have no idea. I'm hoping it does, but if it doesn't, and if you know me by now, I'm going to keep going until I get it right. I'm not going to give up. Well, it fit. This is a lot better than what I had before. Beautiful! Simple and easy. There is a way which seems right to a man, but its end is the way of death. Proverbs 14:12.